family, we are back with another video today. If you're stopping by for the first time, welcome. This is fefaraterfamily here with you, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by, and give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe. If you want to see how we created this wonderful Nigerian princess popping look, just keep on watching.
A red wine,
Welcome back once again. So I am using the Flawless Ivy face primer all over our face with my FB Cosmetics brush and a moisturizer under eyes I got from the moisturizing portion. Then I just go in with the Flawless Ivy foundation in the shade Ebony. I use that all over our face and my FB Cosmetics brush to buff that into the skin, just like me. Guys, my lightning right here was crazy. That's why my setup was changing. Then I go in with the Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Dark Cocoa just to contour all of our face and add some dimension. I highlighted her face off camera, and I have a full makeup tutorial on how I highlight my models and how I contour. So just please go watch that full makeup tutorial on that. Now I use that the same Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Dark Cocoa to just contour her nose, and I'm using a Micro Beauty Blender from Nigerian Cosmetics just to tap that in and set it very well. Then I set under eyes with the Flawless Ivy setting powder in Toffee, which is their O2 shade. I set all over under the eyes and make it snatch, guys. Then I do a reverse contour for her, just so that she will be bouncy like always. I want to keep it really bouncy on this one. I use the Zaron face definer to set all over the contour where I apply the cream contour products. Just use that face definer to just set everything in place. I really wanted it to be bouncy, that's why I had a lot of products on her face so that she would snatch on her edges. So this is just the easy quick of how I set my lights and my contour. So I did my brows off camera, then I go in with a NUBIAN 2 palette from JUVIA'S, and I take 2 shades from that palette. Oh my god, I've forgotten the name of the color I use, but I'll list everything in the description box down below, guys. Then I just use my no name brush just to apply the product all over our eyelid, just to make it, just applying it all over my eyelid. Then I'll go into the transition color from the Kylie Jenner palette. I use that wine shade in that palette just to blend at the edge of the cream, the edge of the eyeshadow I put all over the lid, and you'll see me do that in a minute. I'm using that wine shade as a transition color just to blend it and blend it all over the eyes and make it even soft. Then I went ahead into do the rest part of the eyes off camera because my lighting and my camera was disturbing me that day. I was so frustrated, but I have to bring this thing to YouTube for you guys to see. Then my friend just came in to tie this scarf on her head. I'll be linking a video on how the scarf is being tied on her head, guys, so you will see what really happened on that. I'll be listing that right now, so you people should see it. So it was really a struggle for me when they were tying the scarf on her head, which is the gay lady hair tie on her head. We were laughing because the hair tie was too strong for her, but we have nothing to do but to use the hair tie. So I applied blush all over her face just to make her look bouncy. As you guys see, I just the excess powder off under her eyes, so it should not be too cakey. Then I went ahead it with the Kiss Beauty setting spray to set all over her face, because I use a lot of powder on her face, so everything should sink into the skin. Then I went into the Huda Beauty matte liquid lipstick. I don't know the shade of this color, but it's a red shade. I will leave the name in the description box down below too. Then I outline her lips, then just a bold lip to make it look complete. I really enjoyed filming this one, but it was a struggle because of my setup, my lighting setup. I hope I do better next time. So I just used that tiny brush just to outline all over the lips. Then I applied the lip, everything. I don't know what is wrong with me, but let me show you guys quickly the finished look.
Special type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, the mommy, anytime where I be with you. I want your heart and soul and your own body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love.
So this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching down to this part. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.